everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find on uninstalled app on Android tutorial. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and then in here, if you want to find your uninstalled apps on your Android phone, so you just click on this profile icon at the top, and then in here you just click on manage apps and device. Click on it. In here you just click on manage, click on it, and in here you can change this icon to uninstall and finish. In here you can see apps, the uninstall apps on your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.